In this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Node.js 24 on Windows 11 operating system. So first here in Google search box write there Node.js. So here you can get Node.js org site. You need to click this. So here the new page that's open there. If I go, then here you can get this is the version 22 and the current version is 24. By clicking this, you can download the software. So this here Node version 24 MSI file is now downloading. The size is only 13.5 MB. So by clicking this, you can instantly get there. So here Node version 24. After that, the next is let's click on show in folder. Simply you need to double click on this MSI file. And you need to click on next. Here I accept. Next. So this is the location where Node.js is going to install. Next. Here you can get Node.js folder. So no need to change. Click on next and next and click on this install button. Now this come from OpenJS Foundation. You need to click on yes button and here installing the Node.js 24 on this Windows machine. So here you can see Node.js has been successfully installed. You need to click on finish. Then after, if I go on this command prompt, then if I write node, then you can see here node version 24 that's installed there. And if I write console.log, let's print hello world or by using the double quote. So double quote. Now press enter. Hello world that's display. Or let's open or displays command prompt. And if I write there node -v, then you can see Node version 24 that install. So this is how we can install the latest version of Node.js 24 on this Windows machine. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.